Hello guys, today we are going to do unboxing of 12 volt 42 watt LED fog lamps. So there are two pairs of LED fog lamps. So let's do unboxing and see what are the contents inside it. So in this box, first of all, nothing written inside the box, is just a normal box. Same with this also. So let's open the box. So first we have this nut bolts. Okay, then we have one holder, a hook to attach the LED fog lamps in your car or your bike. So this how it looks. It has 14 LED lights and it's 42 volt. It's nothing mentioned here, so I can't say that it's waterproof or not. It might be waterproof or water resistance. So this other, I think same will be inside the second box also. So this is the box, and we have a nut bolt and a attach or a hook which will be placed over here, and it will be attached on the car or your bike. In the second box also I think having same content. Yeah. Okay. Nothing inside the box. Okay. And it's also same with 14 LED lights, and it's also 12 volt and 42 watt bulbs. So these are the contents, and